have my freckles showing. I just wanted to look glowy and flawless. And I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial on how to achieve this very natural no makeup look. Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to do a faux freckle look using our products at Maya Cosmetics. And it's pretty simple, it's really cute, and it looks really natural. So all you're gonna need is some water, which I have right here, and like a darker than your skin color pigment. I am using SMOKY and Toast, which is a foundation that we have. First off, you're gonna get your brush really wet. I like to use my little artist like board thing. I don't even know what this is. But anyway, you're gonna have a wet brush and you're gonna dip it into pigment. You're gonna just mix it up until the pigment is dissolved in there. So I'm gonna just show you what it looks like on my hand. It's kind of hard to see. But anyway, I'm just gonna show you on my face. So I already have some freckles and I'm just gonna go over them. And so after you dot it, dab it with your hand to make it blend into the skin more. And this is really good for me because I already have freckles that I'm just literally going over the freckles that I already have. And if you have any blemishes, this is awesome because you can hide your blemishes under a freckle. And as far as freckles go, you really want them to hit where the sun would hit you. So naturally the sun hits you on your nose, on your cheek, on your chin, and on your forehead. It seems like I have more freckles on this side of my face. I wonder if it's because this side of my face faces the sun more, probably. I don't know. And if they ever seem a little bit too much, you can always go over it with a finishing powder at the end. I don't know, you guys tell me, do these look natural? I'm showing y'all a tutorial on how to do natural freckles, and I'm not sure how natural they look. Okay. To make it a little bit less, just use the trusty old beauty blender. I think these look pretty natural. Here's the final look. And basically, I just wanted to look as much like I'm not wearing makeup as possible. I don't know how well I succeeded because doing no makeup is like honestly the hardest challenge that I've done so far.